Hello, in this video I will show you how to replace the engine oil and oil filter on Mercedes C220 CDI W203. First, we'll start by removing the oil cap. We're gonna leave it in place just like that. Next, we're going to remove the oil filter. That's the oil filter right there. And this is the tool that I'm going to be using to remove the oil filter. We're going to turn it anti-clockwise and it will unscrew. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the oil filter cap is unscrewed, we will take it out. We'll maybe put the cloth underneath so that so that not everything gets filled with oil, like that, and we'll take it out. And that's the oil filter right there. Next, we're going to be draining the engine oil. In order to drain the engine oil, first we need to remove this engine under tray, and in order to get to the drain plug. That's the oil pan right there, and that's the drain plug right there. We're going to remove the drain plug and drain the oil. Now that the oil is drained, we're going to put the drain plug back on and tighten it. Next, we're going to replace the oil filter and the 3 O-rings. Next, we're going to put the oil filter back in its place. Next, I'll show you in the service manual the oil capacity, the tightening torques for the sump drain, both 30 Newton meters with oil filter 25 Newton meters, and these are the oil grades that are suitable for this car. Next, I'm going to remove the oil filler cap and put about 6.5 liters of oil in the engine. After I put about 6.5 liters in the car, I'll put the filler cap back on, and then I'll start the car, and the oil level is measured automatically in the car, and then we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.